Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ali Saleh back with another video here in Token Talks. And in this video, guys, I have found the best gaming tokens that you need to invest in 2024. And we're going to talk a little bit about BTC finally hitting 50K since 2021. What's so incredible about the gaming token space is that it has huge upside potential, guys. Gaming with blockchain and crypto is going to completely change and revolutionize the entire world. So you deserve to understand exactly how you should invest in 2024 and beyond when it comes to gaming tokens. So guys, let's go ahead and run that B-roll. Make sure you give me a like, a subscriber-oo, leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know your thoughts about this video, because this is going to be absolutely game-changing for how you invest in gaming tokens in 2024 and beyond. Let's go ahead and run that B-roll and dive. All right, guys, welcome back. And let's go ahead and dive right into BTC here, guys. As you can see here, boom, we hit $50,393 today, which is literally the 13th of February, a day before what we got going on here with Valentine's Day, right? So, guys, as you can see here, we got a nice gift, huge upside push over here. Big bullish candle, break a structure to the left, change a character on the 4-hour. And as you can see here, we cleared our previous highs over here. And if we go down to the daily time frame, or up to the daily time frame, I should say, we should see that clear break of structure that we're looking for. So guys, I'm looking for a little market correction, and then we'll continue to move upside and make some magic happen. So let's go ahead and dive into one other thing too. It looks like Ethereum, Franklin Templeton has applied for its spot ETF, Ethereum spot ETF, which is really exciting. So Franklin Templeton on Monday disclosed that it had officially filed for a spot Ethereum exchange traded fund, becoming the 8th player vying to introduce similar products into the market. In January, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approved 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs in a watershed moment for the crypto industry, which had been demanding regulatory approval for those products and for almost more than a decade. So a spot crypto ETF tracks the market price of underlying digital assets, giving investors exposure to the token without having to buy it. So guys, if an Ethereum ETF is approved, just expect a lot of investor capital to come into the Ethereum markets. So let's talk a little bit about gaming tokens and why it's important, guys. Gaming is huge. It's amazing to see what gaming can do. And there's so many people who are literally flocking to games on every level, whether it's your mobile app, whether it's computer games, PC games, Xbox, PlayStation, but games that are powered by blockchain and crypto have huge upside potential in 2024 and beyond. So I've identified some tokens that we're going to talk about right now that can have a huge effect on what you do and how you do business. So the first one is going to be Sandbox, guys. And let's talk a little bit about Sandbox pricing. Sandbox pricing at its peak was at $7.60. Currently, we're sitting at 48 cents. So yeah, I think I'm buying Sandbox, right? And as you can see here, it is literally doing its thing and it's crushing it. If we look at over the last 7 days, as you can see here, it's up about 11% over the last 7 days. Guys, literally from 0.43 to 0.48. And if we look at the daily, it's kind of also moving as well. But if you go to Sandbox official website, you're going to see a few interesting things. So let's talk about that. So play together, create anything, own virtual land. Let's build a whole new world together. And the beautiful thing about the Sandbox is it is going to allow you to connect in extraordinary ways and discover new experiences and make friends. So it's a social network. It's a way for you to kind of go in there, play around and have fun. I use Sandbox quite a bit in 2022. Very, very interesting to kind of like just be in this other world and check out the metaverse. And with all the new technology coming around with Apple and Meta and so many different things, you're going to be able to see a huge upside potential in what's going on. And you have the ability to buy land and turn it into space where culture and creativity can thrive. So huge, guys. We saw what happened with Minecraft. So a lot of upside potential here. Axie Infinity as well. If we go to the all-time for Axie was like 100 and let's see, looks like about 100 $160. Currently, we're sitting at $7.07. So we have a lot of upside potential to get to our all-time high. And then as you can see here, we can come in here and look at the website for Axie Infinity. Conceptually, same thing, but you have the ability to come in here, play now, tap in, connect your wallet, download and play. You can download the hub directly on your Windows or your Mac, completely easy for you to use. And in terms of what they have to offer, they have games, and so many different things. So if you click on games, you could see here everything they have available, and you could see it's adventure, strategy, and all of these gaming opportunities have the ability to stake, earn, make money, and ultimately build a network and meet people. Gala, which is one of my favorite tokens, they were doing really well with their nodes, and as you can see here, its previous high was right around 75 cents. Currently, it's sitting at 0.025. So huge upside potential with Gala and what can happen in the future with a Gala token. And honestly, like at the end of the day, this is something that you totally need to invest into. There's a huge upside potential for everything involved with Gala. And if you do check out their website and see what they got going on, you're going to see that there's, again, huge upside potential with this coin as well. Because as you can see, guys, these are trusted networks, and what they have going on with their projects, they're battle tested, they have great developers behind them, and you're going to be able to really see why it's important to get involved in this, especially with Gala Music. They were selling nodes and they were crushing it. It was incredible what they did. So Gala is definitely something you want to check out, guys. Huge upside potential. Engine coin is another one. This is going to be like, I'm going to talk a little bit about Engine, because if we look at in respective to their all-time high, it was sitting at right around, I think, $4.20, right in that range. And currently it's sitting at 31 cents. It's still up 1,190%. So from its entry, so there's still a lot of upside potential with this in terms of what's possible, guys. Like, this is a lot of room to eat. If you look at the market cap right here, 432,999,000, almost 433 million. And if you go down to their website, and you can see they're on the Solana chain, if you come here, you can see that you're a developer or a creator. They have different products: blockchain, mobile wallet, platform, and API, NFT.io marketplace. They have so many resources and different things you could check out, their white paper and everything. So honestly, to me, I think that this is pretty cool. You have event NFT tickets, collectible card packs, so many different things you could do. You could mint now. There's a lot of things you could do. And Sato is also another one. And if we go to all and take a look, all-time high was right around 95 cents, almost $1. And currently it's sitting at 0.0079. Okay, guys. So again, you want to do your research and check this out. But as you can see here, it's on the ERC20 chain. You could go directly to their website, check them out, see what's going on with them, and understand a little bit more about this. But I'm super bullish on gaming tokens and gaming around crypto in general, just because there's so much happening with the metaverse and everything that the metaverse has to offer, how it's becoming user-friendly, even more user-friendly than before. And there's so much interoperability between chains and so many different things that are happening right now that are making such a positive impact when it comes down to gaming tokens in general. So as you can see here, guys, BTC broke 50K. We have a potential ETF for Ethereum, and gaming tokens are on the rise right now, ladies and gentlemen. So more and more capital is flowing in to the altcoin world, as well as our layer ones and BTC. So really exciting time, guys. This is the best time to start paying attention to crypto ASAP. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because we're going to bring you everything Token Talks related. But more importantly, a lot of the content I put out is time sensitive. So you need to make sure you act fast with the information we're providing for you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. We will catch you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.